Hello everyone, welcome back to Agrostar. Today, we're steeping into the world of tea farming. Tea, a beloved beverage worldwide, offers a rewarding agricultural venture. Whether you're a seasoned farmer or just starting, this guide will provide you with the essential knowledge to cultivate a thriving tea plantation. So, let's brew up some knowledge. Tea, derived from the Camellia sinensis plant, is cherished for its diverse flavors and health benefits. It's a staple in many cultures, used for its calming properties and rich taste. Growing tea can be a profitable endeavor, especially with the rising demand for specialty teas and organic varieties. The crop's perennial nature and adaptability to different climates make it a sustainable choice for many farmers. Before planting, understanding the ideal growing conditions is crucial. Tea thrives in warm, humid climates with well-drained, acidic soil. It prefers elevations between 3,000 to 7,000 feet, where temperatures range from 50 to 86 Fahrenheit. Choose a location with ample rainfall, ideally 50 to 90 inches annually, evenly distributed throughout the year. Select varieties suited to your region, such as Assamica for warmer climates or China hybrids for cooler, higher altitudes. Begin with soil testing and amend it with organic matter like compost or aged manure to improve fertility and drainage. Ensure the land is free from weeds and debris. If the soil pH is too high, add sulfur or aluminum sulfate to lower it. Proper soil preparation sets the foundation for healthy tea bushes. Tea plants can be propagated from seeds or cuttings. Cuttings, taken from healthy mother bushes, are preferred for their uniformity and faster growth. Plant them in well-prepared nursery beds or polybags before transplanting them to the field. Space the plants about 4 to 5 feet apart in rows, with 6 to 8 feet between rows, to allow for adequate growth and harvesting. Tea bushes require regular pruning to maintain a manageable plucking table and encourage new shoot growth. The plucking table is the flat surface of the bush where the new shoots are harvested. Pruning is typically done every 3 to 5 years, depending on the variety and growth rate. Formative pruning, during the first few years, shapes the bush, while maintenance pruning keeps it productive. Tea needs consistent moisture, especially during the growing season. Install an irrigation system if rainfall is insufficient. Drip irrigation or sprinkler systems can ensure even water distribution. Avoid waterlogging, as it can lead to root rot. Fertilize tea bushes with a balanced fertilizer, rich in nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. Organic fertilizers like compost, vermicompost, or green manure are excellent for long-term soil health. Apply fertilizer in split doses during the growing season to support continuous growth. Regular weeding is essential, especially in the early stages of growth. Use mulch to suppress weeds and conserve moisture. Hand weeding or light cultivation can also be effective. Proper weed management ensures that tea bushes receive adequate nutrients and water. Tea plants can be susceptible to pests like tea mosquito bugs, aphids, and mites. Implement integrated pest management strategies, including biological control, cultural practices, organic pesticides, or finally chemical control. Diseases like blister blight and gray blight can also affect tea. Ensure good air circulation, avoid overcrowding, use organic fungicides or chemical control when necessary. The flush is the term for the new growth of leaves and buds, which are harvested. Plucking is typically done by hand, selecting the 2 leaves in a bud for the highest quality tea. The frequency of plucking varies with the season and variety, usually every 7 to 14 days. Harvested leaves should be processed promptly to prevent oxidation. After plucking, tea leaves are processed through withering, rolling, oxidation, and drying. These steps determine the type and quality of tea produced. Proper processing is crucial for achieving the desired flavor and aroma. Store processed tea in airtight containers in a cool, dry place to maintain its quality. And that's your comprehensive guide to tea farming. With careful management and dedication, you can produce high-quality tea and enjoy a sustainable livelihood. If you found this video informative, please like, subscribe, and share Agrostar with your farming community. Leave your questions or experiences in the comments below, we're eager to hear from you. Happy tea farming, and see you in the next video.